Hello everyone. Here we are in Quebec City in the park, but we are in November and it's unusual that it's like this, very cold. It's like winter, so we enjoy the ride in the park with all the family. So as you can see, it's all white around me, surrounding me, so it's very cold and it's winter. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and hope you like our video. Please subscribe and have a good day. Thank you.
Pasyal namin kayo guys dito sa park here in Quebec City. It's nice here guys. Pero kung strong yung wind guys, never kaming lalabas. Sunny kasi tapos wala pang wind, kaya okay siyang mag-walk dito sa park. Look.
Not a good idea to take this one to go in the wood. Next time we're gonna get a sleigh. My God.
It's a good exercise, son.
Wait, look at the snow. It's white. It's like flower, but it's really cool. It's really cold. But when it's not that cold, you can make ball and you can like a war of ball. But now the snow it's not good to make ball. You see?
It didn't stick together, right?
It didn't stick because it's too cold. When it's -1, 0, you can take the snow, make a ball, and throw the ball.
I can play.
It's like a fight.
Okay.
Funny?
Look guys, when I hold the snow, it's easy to be melted because my hand is warm. It's cold. It's cold. My God, see my hand, it's wet guys. Liquid now.
I mean the past is saying
It's okay?
it's become
It's okay, we can go back if you want. Anyway, John Philip is sleeping. Why?
Gonna let him sleep there?
No, of course. Keep going. See, Han? Yeah, exactly. They play slide. It's trekking time, guys. Tulo na yung sipon ko dito. Pero hindi siya masyado. So, okay lang. Bundle up lang talaga, guys, para makasurvive ka sa labas. Kasi medyo malamig siya, minus. But it's really nice to walk. Although kapag bagong dating ka lang dito sa Quebec or kahit saan na nag-iis naman bago yung temperature ng katawan mo. Kasi kapag lalo na especially galing ka sa Asia, para wala naman sa atin nag-snow, especially sa Philippines, so maninibago ka talaga. So kailangan mo lang mag-wear ng boots, makapal na socks, and then leggings, then pants, jacket, and bonnet, and also this one, the scarf, to protect. Kasi kapag wala kang bonnet at ganito kalamig, magkakasip. No, my first impression when I arrived in Calgary, I play with the snow. I touched the snow, of course, and I'm so happy because it's my first time. But after that, I hate snow. Of course, I can't go out, and during that time, I don't have boots, I don't have warm jacket. The jacket that I bring is not that warm. It's from Taiwan. About you, Han, when you were born? You born here, for sure. What do you feel? What's your reaction your first time see the snow?
I was a funny girl. I was 1 years old. I should remember.
No. When you remember everything now, what is your reaction? Come on.
I remember when I went to school, elementary school. November, December, we were very excited about the first snow. It was like, how do you say, nice fondant. It's what we were very excited about, and we enjoyed. But at the end, when
No, it
March,
depends.
April, we were very fed up.
But no, it depends on the temperature. But if it's just like this, -10, no wind, it's nice, right? But if it's -45, si Manak, I don't wanna go out.
Well, -45. -20, yes, it could happen. -20.
Wait, Han, before in Calgary,
Oh wait,
-45, 40, 39. Wait. Slowly, 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 slowly. Be careful. It's not slippery here, compared to the street. Slowly, slowly, slowly. And the water is nice. Down on the hills. No, if we're gonna go back to the other way. If we're gonna take the other way.
By the road.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay. Up, up, down. My nose is frozen. Matigas na guys yung face ko. Malamig.
Look. But me, I am a strong man.
Are you sure? And don't worry, it's a good exercise for you. Pushing the stroller. Funny. No, we're not lost. Jayo! Bravo! Ali!
for the snow. Because the way prices about the first snow of the year. But in April, March,
And here in Quebec, until when is the snow?
in the middle of April.
Oh, eh?
What back?
But it's not that much, right?
No. End of March, beginning of April. Don't start. The beautiful days. I said here it's not that cold because the tree protect us from the wind.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Where did you get that idea?
I am. It's clear. The wind protect us from the wind.
Ah, okay.
And then when we are outside of the wood, you will see it's more windy, more cold.
Ah, wait. Wait. New knowledge for me, Han. Merci. Merci beaucoup.
I'm gonna charge you.
Or not in the good way.
Are you laughing at me?
Yeah. No, and learn from your mistakes. So next time we will not bring trolley here in the snow, right?
Yes, you're right.
Yeah, we're gonna bring the sleigh. But
We're gonna bring the horse as well.
you are the horse.
Horse and sleigh.
So we're gonna bring the sleigh and you are the horse. Yay! We made it, guys. 2 kilometers, right,
Oh my
Han?
God, on the bridge is not.
Han, it's 2 kilometers, right?
What?
From the park, yeah.
What?
By we.
From home to here is about 1. But in the wood, I think it's 2.
Yeah, we checked before. It's 2 kilometers, eh? Ale, ale, ale. Ale, ale, ale. Ah. Push, push, push. Push, push. By we.
My God, it's so hard. Did you see the path, man? Always. But at last,
We made it.
we made it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have fun. Bye-bye.